What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap my short on SINT, 312 profit, $312 profit on the day in about 15 minutes. Quite happy with the trade. I'm going to break down my entries and exits. So I was looking at this pre-market. It had been spiking about 35% with no news. As usual, I took a look at the daily chart and I noticed that this level of 3.15 had about 140 million resistance. So there were some bag holders trapped in the area. So I was going to plan a short off of this level, and I waited for the strength for the spike to come in, for the chasers to start coming in. It did spike very, very close to that resistance level, but I was going to cut it right above 3.2. I ended up with a low 3 average, and I covered into the 250s. Ordinarily, I would hold this a little bit longer, but I had to take care of some errands this morning. So I went in for my roughly, I believe, 17% profit. So quite happy with the trade. Had this spiked a bit more, had it been up like 80% of the day, I would be looking for 25-ish profit. But nevertheless, happy to lock in 18%, and as you can see, it kind of bounced off the 250 area and it's consolidating now. So would have been a slow grinder. When the stock comes in and doesn't spike that much, there's not as much reward as when stocks spike huge. They have a lot more room to come down. So overall, nice quick 15-minute profit on the day. There weren't any good long setups for me. And lately, the long setups have been in the pre-market. They've been kind of pump and dumps, so haven't been taking too many longs, considering that the patterns aren't there. So I've been focusing on some nice short setups. Anyhow, if you guys learned something from this video, please drop a like and check out my site. The free chat room is opening up this weekend for a limited time, so be sure to check that out and join the chat so you can trade with me every day. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.